Welcome back, children, to our maths class. Children, in this session, we are going to learn about some of the story sums. So, stories are something very important for us also. We love to hear beautiful stories. So, now in maths, also, we have some stories, and those stories will help you understand what we have to do: addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division of the sum. First problem that we have that is shown over here is example number 7. Look at it. A container has around 32 liters and 450 milliliters of water. Another container has 25 liters and 750 milliliters of water. Both the containers are emptied into one single container. What will be the total capacity of that container? So we have to simply add it, and we have already done the addition over here. But when we are writing the statement, we should write the answer like here it is given. In this form, we are going to answer the question. The words may not be the same, but your answer uh, should match. Coming on to the next sum, next one is the subtraction one, which generally has the word how much is left behind, right? So then only we can understand that it is a subtraction sum. Now coming on to the next sum, that is, it is said that one paint container has the capacity of paint, that is 12 liters and 180 milliliters of paint. Now what is the capacity of 12 such containers? So that is, we have to multiply it by 12 and we will get the answer over here. But when you are writing the answer, you will have to mention the statement like this is done over here. Then coming to the example number 10, we have a number given here. The capacity of oil was divided into 11 different parts, equal parts. Now there's around 37,565 liters of oil, and each oil is divided into and the oil is divided into 11 parts. Now what are the 11 parts that and what is the content of that 11 of those 11 parts? So simply we simply divide this sum and get the answer like this, which will further be can be written like this also, that is 3 liters 415 milliliters. So this is how we can write the answers. Coming on to the exercise, this is 10.6. The first sum we will do with the first sum is a drum has 93 liters. Now here look at the sum. A drum has 93 liters, 100 milliliters of milk. Out of this, 21 liters, 900 milliliters of was used. What quantity of milk is left in the container now? Now there is a total quantity of milk that is given, which is 93 liters and 100 milliliters of milk. Now amount of milk that was used is 21 liters, 900 milliliters. Now what quantity of milk is left in the container? So what you have to do, you will have to simply subtract them. Got it? Now even the next few sums go the same way, and we will do with the sum number F. Sum number F says a container has 21 liters 300 milliliters of acid. What quantity of acid will 13 such containers contain? So simply we can understand what we have to do. It is, we have to just multiply it. So what will you write? The first is capacity of one container is equal to, what is the capacity? It is 21 liters 300 milliliters. So then it is said we have to multiply with 13. Now we will write that 13 containers can include or contain whatever. You will get the answer over here. You will write it here, and that too in liters and milliliter form. So this is how we get this sum corrected. Then we come to sum number 8 H. A container has a capacity of what? This much of is the capacity of one container. Now what quantity of a liquid will it measure out in 13 turns. So here we will simply divide it, and for dividing it we will get one unit, that is 32,500 milliliters, which is then further divided by 13. And whatever you keep on doing, first you take these two numbers, then whatever is the remainder over here, this will be written over here, and this will be taken over here, and then we'll get final one. After subtracting it, we'll get the rest of the answer. Now coming on to the estimating capacity. So estimation sums we have been doing in previous chapters. So now this is nothing of any difference. Now let's see the exercise 10.7. Now we have here exercise 10.7, which says round the following to the nearest liter. Right, to the nearest liter. Now how we will do it? Now the sum which now what is the sum? 52 liters 481 milliliters, right? And we have to convert it into nearest liters. So what we will do? This is already in liters, right? So we will convert 481 ml to liters. So what we will do? We will just divide by 1000. And what is the answer? It is 52.481 liters. So this is the actual answer for it. Now rounding off to the nearest liters, that is, it is round off this will become 5. So it is answer is 53 liters. This is the actual answer. So we'll try to round off the number and remove the digits that come after the decimal point, and we'll get the number 53 liters. In this way you can do all the sums, the sum number B, C and D. Now rounding off to the nearest liters, first you will add both the numbers, right, and then you will find out, you will convert it into liters, complete liters, and then round off the digits that come after the decimal point. So this is what we have to do in this sum. So do all the sums as per the instructions that are given in the class. Coming on to the objective assignments, these are the multiple choice questions. So as per the question chapter is explained, do try to complete all these objective assignments and then give it to your teacher. So till then we meet in our next class with another new chapter. It's bye bye for now. Have a happy learning.